Hello and welcome to Codecourse HQ. I'm Alex, if you didn't already know, and consider this video a pre-warning to the Black Friday sale that's coming up. You guessed it, on Friday. So I do these once a year. They're not always on Black Friday, but this year it will actually be on Black Friday, and I'm gonna leave it just to last a little bit longer. Lots of people, I think last year or the year before, missed it. And emailed me afterwards asking if they could still have the discount. So I'm going to extend it a little bit this year, and I'm going to have a strict deadline date for this because it is going to be a huge discount, as always, and they're only once a year, so it's worth using it if you can. So it'll apply to new and existing customers. As always, everyone's treated the same here. If you are already a member, then you just pop the code in and you get that big discount off your next month or your next year. If you're not, then you get it off your first month or your first year. And yearly is a really good option for this. A lot of people tend to, with these sales, upgrade to the yearly plan because you get a massive discount off the yearly plan, and it works out at basically nothing a month. Literally less than the price of a coffee nowadays. So yeah, I'll pop another video out on Friday to remind you because people get upset when they miss these sales because they only happen once a year, and I can only really do it once a year. Business sense, it makes sense to not give a huge discount out just willy-nilly. So yeah, I'll pop another video out on Friday. That's when the sale starts, just to remind you. But I hope you are having a great day. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll catch you on Friday for the sale reminder.